This is the Oculus in New York City. It's one of New York's most beautiful transportation hubs. It's a lot more than just a train station though. It's where most people enter when they visit the 9/11 Memorial. A magnificent marvel of architecture to say the least. It was designed by Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava. The Oculus resembles a dove leaving a child's hands. This place commemorates such a sad event in our nation's history, but manages to create a bright and hopeful vibe as you walk through it and explore it. The central feature is this massive glass domed hall that is illuminated by sunlight. There are also a lot of stores and restaurants to spend your money in as well. It's definitely worth your time to explore this awesome and historic piece of New York architecture. Exiting the Oculus, there's a massive Instagram-worthy mural along with an awesome sculpture of animals riding a huge tandem bike.
So we're here with Joy again, and this is the map.
And we have a special guest, AZ. So here we are out at the 9/11 Memorial. The red star is us, the North Pole and the South Pole, which were once the Twin Towers. And since the 9/11 attack, this is the memorial for those beloved people we've loved and lost. And then we'll find the South Pole. Somewhere around there is the survivor tree by the Memorial Glade.
So I guess the survivor tree was actually there before the attack, and it survives till this day. We're here at the South Tower, where it used to be at least. It's a giant waterfall that looks really epic actually. It's super massive and quite sobering to realize that there were two giant buildings right here and now they're gone. And we got some names of some folks that were there on that day, and at least they're forever commemorated right here.
So this is one of the pools. If you can notice, there's a flower. Sometimes the family of the dearly departed would come over and just plant a flower for their beloved friends and family. Unfortunately, not everyone is accounted for. You would see a collective name for a group of people or unnamed babies that were not born because of that incident. So, unfortunately, a close family friend has been one of the people that has happened to be in the wrong place in the worst day of their time. So this is the survivor tree. It's apparently a Calary pear tree. So it survived the wreckage of 9/11 and they had to bring it to the Bronx to recuperate the tree. And once everything was settled, they planted it back here as a symbol of resilience. It blossoms every spring. And it looks beautiful. I feel like it's a great representation in life and in love and in everything else. So yeah, I think it's amazing, the survivor tree.
The World Trade Center Memorial is definitely a must-stop for your New York City adventure. Click here to see the New York City High Line, another awesome New York must-see attraction. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Subscribe for more Family Day Off. Ciao, sa!